YouTube is the most popular video sharing website. Actually it's the video sharing website. It's also the second most searched platform in the entire world, and also it's the best platform for creators. So today we are gonna speak about 10 YouTube tips and tricks that you should definitely know and try. Let's start. We all know incognito mode, right? Every browser has it. Edge, Chrome, Safari, etc. But do you know that YouTube also has an incognito mode? Just open YouTube on your mobile and click on the profile icon next to the search button. Now you will see an option, turn on incognito. This will basically work just like the normal Chrome incognito. It will not save any search or watch history. We all know double tapping on a video skips or rewinds a video by 10 seconds. But do you know that there is an option for 2-finger double tap? Yes, there is. So if the video you are watching has chapters, then you can use your 2 fingers and double tap for it to skip the next chapter. And also you can use your 2-finger double tap on the left side to rewind the last chapter. Pretty comfortable, right? Okay, with the new update, YouTube has actually released 2 new features, ambient mode and unlimited zoom. So if you are not using these 2 features as of now, this is how it works. Now you can zoom on a video without any limits. Just pinch on the video and you can zoom anywhere on the video. And ambient mode is this cool ambient light that comes around the video. You see that? YouTube basically claims that this is more immersive. But if you want to disable that, just click on the video settings, the gear icon right here. Now you see an option, ambient mode. Just disable it and it's gone. Ever been in a situation where you've opened YouTube to read something important or to get some work done and you ended up wasting a lot of time on those recommended videos? I have been in that position and I know the pain. So Unhook is basically an extension that helps you with that. Head over to Chrome Web Store, search Unhook and add it to Chrome. Then turn the extension on. From now on, this is how your YouTube homepage looks. It has nothing, actually nothing except the search bar, and when you search for something, you see only that related content. No recommendations, nothing. It's very comfortable and a big time saver. Okay, this is a digital well-being initiative by Google. So if you think you use YouTube too much, then you can ask YouTube to remind you to take a break. Just go to YouTube settings, hit general. Now you see an option, remind me to take a break. Hit that and set a time. Let's say 2 hours. So if you use YouTube more than 2 hours in a single shot, it reminds you to take a break. Also, YouTube can even tell you when it's bedtime. Click on this option, set the bedtime and click OK. We all subscribe to a lot of channels and every creator has their own schedule of uploading their own videos. So it becomes very hard for us to catch up on all their uploads, and sometimes when they upload, we are busy doing our own work. So Schedule Digest basically helps you with this. To enable this, go to YouTube settings, select notifications and click on Schedule Digest. Now choose the delivery time, the time you would be free to watch some YouTube videos, and hit OK. Once done, you will receive YouTube notifications only at that point of time exactly every single day. So guys, that's pretty much it with this video. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more amazing technology videos. I hope to see you in my upcoming videos. Thanks.